Jumbo fountain. 40 bucks. That's that. Little mask, whatever that is, whatever that does. That's the price. 50 bucks. Oh, my fault. 17. A little heavy. These are all fountains. You guys don't want to see that, but just in case, 50 bucks. That's what you get. We got more artillery shells. See these, they sell them to you out there for $20 each one. You get 4 of them for $25. You make some dumb money. Up to the breaking shell. 22 American Chief. I've heard a lot about these. 20 bucks for a 12 pack. It's not that bad. And I might cop this. It's 4 of them for 20 just because. I'm not sure. Oh, there we go. 10 bucks. Remember I was saying I heard these were quality. These were dope. Small festival balls, 10 bucks. Spinning flowers. Add one of these. Add these on there. Some little stuff. Morning Glory, 36-inch. You know why I'm showing these little side parts? Because I feel like no one ever shows the side parts. 2 bucks. You know what though? We're gonna put these back and we're gonna get this 36-inch for 2 bucks. See, I'm sleeping on it, fellas. I'm sleeping. Bunch of little novelty stuff. I love this stuff. $7, some tank. Little tanks. Pistol popper. Ice flooded. 50 smoke balls. 150 crackling balls, jumbo. They're pretty big. Made all those spin up. Give you a little zoom. Russian roulette. Don't know what the hell that is, but it looks dope. Might pick that up just to see what it does. You know what? I am gonna pick that up to see what it does, and I'll demo it for you guys. We got a bunch of little dumb stuff, but we won't get it right. Time flies. Don't know what those are. 7. Yeah, I'm gonna get some of these. Like I said, we're gonna be coming out here throughout the year, so why is this 4 bucks? It's not even a brick. A brick costs you damn near that much. It's a little crazy. Tanks, prices, 2 bucks. That prices. I'm gonna have to cut this short, fellas, because this video is getting a little too long. I'm gonna go through just the popular stuff. That, you guys like those, right? People get those. Iceberg. No, that's that. Where the hell are we with these? Space Devil, $4. There we go. What else should I show you guys? A lot of bats. Spin. Fly into the night before crackling stars. Doesn't have a price. $250. Some assortments, we'll go see that. I didn't realize the video was going so long. $10. Nice smoke.
Yeah.
Neon snaps, whatever those are. You might get some for the kids. $7. Sparklers. $3. Electric sparklers. $3. That's the price. I'm gonna get some of those. We're just gonna kick it real quick. Boom. Fountains. That's that. We got that. Little spy guns. What do they do? Not sure. $3. Some apples. Not sure what those do. We got this rocket assortment, and I'm thinking I'm gonna snatch this one up. I am, because I like rockets every now and then. We gonna walk out with this one for sure. But as you can see, I know I was told one of the guys on my channel I was gonna do the rockets, but they unfortunately, as you can see, they ain't got no rockets. And they got these little bricks. Okay. Damn, $6 a box. How much do we pay for that? $20 or $15? You guys know that, fellas. Those of you in Cali, you guys know how much we pay for those. That is crazy. $2, who knows? You see, now I might put this rocket assortment back and just get a bunch of little cheap stuff, so that way I can get my cakes, because that's the most important thing and the most expensive thing are those damn cakes. This should be cheaper. Oh my god, $3. We might just take one just because. Okay, Ultimate Pyro by Firehawk. This looks dope, really dope. That's the price. Excuse me. Might get that. I don't know. I'm still debating. Excuse me. Powerhouse assortment. Got some smoke and mirrors. Some pretty good cakes. Bling bling. I love bling bling. They don't have it. I didn't see a bling bling yet. If I see it, I'm gonna cop some to go. Give me two. $200 for that. Is it worth it? It might be. And it saves you the hassle of having to. You guys know that one. That one, I don't know why it doesn't seem worth it to me, but it's $300. This Bone Shaker is $3.79. Now this one seems crazy. Look how big it is. Bone Shaker. We got this one. It doesn't look too bad. Incinerator. $174. You could probably get that like $200 in LA. That's what it goes for. Same here. This is a nice big one. Boom. That's 90 bucks. Right for the party. Mars Attack by Winda. This has to be a good one. 160. 125. 4 American Tradition. Now that's just normal price, I guess. And then you got the 87 for these. You know those go for 100 bucks. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna wrap this up because I'm excited to get into this little shopping. I'm not gonna do too much, but I still want to get into it. Detroit, these cakes were really heavy. I tried moving them. 75 for 4. They weren't moving. Just a little look. Hope you guys enjoy, man. I'm gonna upload this right now.